Good morning everyone. Today's assembly is, I've got a bit of crib sheet, my apologies, but I've been walking today and remembering it sometimes is a bit difficult. We're talking about our global goals for sustainable development, and it's global goal number 3, good health and well-being. It also links to UNICEF's article 24 about good health. Over the last 15 years, I don't know whether you've been aware, but the number of childhood deaths has reduced by almost half due to good food, better nutrition, better medical care. One of the reasons why we do land-based studies at the moment in school as well as forest school is to learn about how we can look after ourselves and our environment. Because if you remember what I do say to some of my students, nature nurtures us, so we need to nurture nature. These are absolutely brilliant. I've just found these birch polypores. They're lovely brackets. They're a bit soft at the moment, a bit squidgy. If I pulled them off, they won't harm the tree, although you can see if you look up it has broken off, but the tree is still alive. There's still some goodness in there and it might sprout later on. You can take those off because they are living with the tree, and we can use as absolutely brilliant tinder. I've also found, because I know some of you doubters are out there, some deer fur. One of the deer has been rubbing itself against the tree because he obviously had an itch, and it's taken some of the fur off. So that again is absolutely brilliant tinder if it was dry. So what do we do in forest school? We learn about things that will help keep us healthy. Being outside, going for a walk is really good for our energy levels, our mental health. It's also good to get us breathing. Some of you will be aware of my challenge to walk from Land's End to Donegroats virtually. I'm just past Truro at the moment, and my little walk today, if I just check on my GPS, on my track manager, it tells me my current activity. I've walked 1.34 miles this morning. So that's not too bad. I'll probably just over double that by the time I get home. So we learn about things in school, natural things, which is exactly why we need to concentrate also on global issue number 3. Because if we don't look after what we've got, it won't look after us. We need our bodies to be healthy with healthy food. So again, we're learning how to grow our own food. Even if you've got a little window box on your windowsill, you can still grow salad vegetables, a few tomatoes, some peppers, some chilies. The packet of seeds will last you a couple of years probably, but you'll have loads and loads of food that you can use for all your different dishes. I want you to think about, during your own class assemblies, what things you can do to help the environment and help yourselves stay healthy. Remember, everyone has a right to health and good food, but it's our responsibility to make sure that that happens. Stay safe, stay well, and I'm going that way for another couple of miles. Bye!